Tired of seeing those recurring charges for ticker tape and ready to finally cut ties? This quick guide will walk you through canceling your subscription, ensuring you stop future payments and keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket. First things first, head over to the Tickertape website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon, usually located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, find and click on the Settings option. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Tickertape account. Now, on the Settings page, look for a tab labeled either Subscription or Billing. The exact wording may vary, but it's usually pretty easy to spot. Click on that tab to view your subscription details. On the Subscription or Billing page, you should see details of your current plan. Scroll down until you find a clearly labeled button that says Cancel Subscription or something similar like End Subscription. It might be at the bottom of the page. Clicking the Cancel Subscription button will likely trigger a confirmation pop-up. Read the message carefully. May inform you about the implications of canceling, such as losing access to premium features. If you're sure, click Confirm or the affirmative option to proceed. After confirming, you should see a confirmation message on the screen, indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. This message might also tell you until when you'll retain access to the premium features you paid for. And that's it. You have successfully canceled your Tickertape subscription. Be sure to take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records.